You can also get cooking assistance by using Gemini. Let's say, for example, you want to learn how to cook something, or let's say, for example, you have some ingredients and you want to know what you can cook out of it, then you can tell Gemini to help you out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say this. I have these cooking ingredients right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and say salt, sugar, and let's say I have egg right here, and I got flour, and then I got rice, I got noodles, and I got, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say dry packet noodles right here, just like this. So let's just go around and say dry packet noodles right here. So let's say these are the things that are lying around over here. So I have salt, sugar, egg, flour, rice, dry packet noodles right here, and let's say I got tomato right here. Tomato right here. So I'm going to go around and say what are the dishes that I can make using these ingredients right here, just like this. Let me just go around and correct this out as well. So if I were to go around and press enter, then what happens is that it analyzes that out right here, and you can see that this is what I can make. So here it says using dry packet noodles, spiced tomato egg drop noodle soup can be made using rice, using flour and egg right here. Using all the ingredients, you can make a tomato egg drop soup with rice noodles right here. So this sounds interesting right here, just like this. So now you can simply go around over here and I can see give me step-by-step guide to make a tomato egg drop soup with rice noodles right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it simply gives me the information on how I can use it. So you can see that I got tomatoes right here, so I need to get some garlic cloves and then soy sauce and some other things as well. But you can see that this is what you have right here, and it gives me a clear instructions on what I can make out of it right here and how I should actually do it. So that is how you can get cooking assistance right here. Cooking assistance right here inside of Gemini, and then get step-by-step way to actually cook those dishes as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.